next we need to do something that will temporarily hold one line of data, because we need to read the array line by line. So we'll basically need to write a while loop. So this is buffer us to read the file one line at a time. The following temporarily holds one line of data. So we'll just make a new variable, string s line 1 equals null, string s line 2 equals null. So while true, we want to read a line from the file, which will be s line 1 equals buffer reader 1 dot read line. We want to do that for the second line as well. I mean the second file. If end of file is reached, exit the while loop. So inside this while loop, we need an if statement. Simply break. Sorry, forgot to add if s line 1 is null. And then I copy and paste this because there's an s line 2. Still inside the while loop, I want to fill the array with data. So that'll just be students for the how many students there are equal s line 1, and then grades for the same amount equal to s line 2. And we want to keep doing this, so let's do count the number of lines or students read. So that'll be count plus plus so that's all we have to do for the while loop. And now we have to do a catch block, because for every try block you have to do a catch block. So make sure it's outside of that while loop. Okay. So I can do a catch IO exception. And I can basically just take exactly what we have from the read data from file with arrays. I wouldn't really expect anybody to remember this. Basically, it just pops up a message if the try block doesn't work. Oh, oops. I did the catch block inside the try block. So that should fix things. Next we have to actually print out the 2 arrays, so that shows up under the header. So print out the content from the array. This is just a space so that I can get a space from the top header. Students from the array. Oh, student and grades. Now we just need to do a for loop. For int I equals 0 to I less than count to I plus plus, so keep incrementing. We will print out every element in both arrays. First we want students, then we want grades. Let's run and see what happens. Oh, right. So I need to space it out. So I'll just add a long string of dots. Run it again. And there you have it. I haven't really figured out a way to tab them evenly and have the grades line up. I think that the code to do that is quite difficult, so I think that this is okay for now. And this concludes the solution for week 6, lab 1.